benefits of OOP, where we have already seen about inheritance, the reusability concept of inheritance, where we can get the features and functions from other classes. So, it saves our time. Resilience to changes, any modification that should be made to the program can be made by just altering a few statements instead of the entire program. It is because the program is organized as classes and objects. When you make some minor change to the class, immediately that has an effect on all its objects. And it is easy to solve the problems by divide and conquer approach. Like you have functions, so instead of solving the task that is at hand at one particular stroke, you can divide the task into subtasks and make each object its function solve that particular task. So, when the program is written as a whole, it solves the problem step by step, and it is easy to map objects in the problem domain to those in the program. That is, this is called realistic modeling. The technical term is realistic modeling. Like we can have classes which have a meaningful name, like you have, suppose you are working on an application involving automobiles or a car, you can just give the class name as car itself, identify its data as the number of tires, the model type, the year in which it was manufactured, the color of the car, and you can give value like red and some number. So, you are able to map the actual problem in the real world to that in the program. It is because you are able to give meaningful names. So, when you read that program itself, you come to an idea that it is about a car and about the features of the car, the functions of the car, and so on. So, that is only called realistic modeling, which is possible with OOP. And the principle of data hiding helps us to build secure programs. Now, this data hiding comes from the concept of abstraction, abstract superclass, abstract data type, which hides the details from those programmers or from other classes and objects which do not need to know those details. So, it just gives a general picture of the data and functions, whereas it does not give any other unnecessary details to other classes and objects. So, the actual source of data can be hidden from accidental alterations. So, this concept of data hiding is implemented using the abstract keyword in OOP. So, in object oriented programming, from reusability to identifying objects in the problem domain, to the method of solving problems, to the concept of avoiding accidental alterations, everything is made possible with these concepts. It involves a lot of features which allow the programmers to develop such secure programs. So, that is the benefit of object oriented programming.